Hello everyone. In this video, we will set up the automation for missed call text back in GoHighLevel. Now let's say you have a virtual number for your business and someone calls your virtual number and the call doesn't get answered for any reason. Maybe your team was busy or it get forwarded but wasn't picked up. Then in that case, you might lose that lead, right? So instead of leaving that lead hanging or losing that lead, you can set up an automation to follow up with the text message by saying, "Hey, I'm sorry, I missed your call," or anything like that. Now we can do it in two ways in GoHighLevel. For our first way, we will go to the settings. And here we will move to business profile. Then we will move down to missed call text back section. Here, first of all, we will enable this missed call text back option. Then we will type in the message that we want to send to our lead once we miss their call. So here we can type in, "Hi, this is," and here we will add the custom value. For that, we will select account and then name. So it will automatically add your business or your agency name in the text. Then type in, "We are sorry. We missed your call. When is the good time to reach you?" Then you can add more text or customize this text for you and then hit this Save Missed Call Text Settings button. Now, if you want to set up more personalized automation, like you want to add them to pipeline or you want to follow up the missed call leads by further sending email or SMS, then you will first uncheck this missed call text back option and then save these settings. Next, we will move to automations to make a workflow for this missed call text back automation. So we will create a workflow from scratch. And we will name this workflow that will be missed call text back automation. First of all, we will add a trigger for this workflow and that will be call status. And in filters, we will select call status is. Here we will select busy or no answer. You can add another filter that will be call direction is incoming and then save this trigger. Now, first of all, we will add a wait action. And here wait for will be time delay. Now wait can be 1 minute or 2 minutes and then save this action. Next, we will add an action that will be send SMS. Here we will type in the message that we want to send to our lead and that will be, "Hi, this is." Here we will add the custom value for the account and then name. "We are sorry. We missed your call. When is the good time to reach you?" And then we will save this action. Next, what we're going to do is we will add the lead in the pipeline. So we will add an action that will be create or update opportunity. And in pipeline, you will select the pipeline that you created for this missed call text back leads. And then select the pipeline stage where you want to add these leads. And the opportunity name will be contact full name. And finally, save this action. So now you know how you can set up the missed call text back automation inside GoHighLevel so that you never miss any lead or you never miss any opportunity. I hope this video will be helpful for you, but if you face any trouble in this process, you can ask me in the comment section. For now, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.